Well guys, the house is coming along really well. It looks good. We got the railings up on the porch. That makes such a big visual impact on the house, just putting railings up. But today we're going to be adding another big visual impact because we're going to be staining the piers of our house. You can see the house is sitting on concrete cinder blocks. They're not very attractive. They have the typical block look. Later on, we will be doing more to close in the bottom, but this is just the first step. Picked up some concrete stain, got it tinted to a color that won't look so blockish, and we're just gonna get working. I'm just gonna dig down a little bit around these so that we can stain down, backfill it. And I'm gonna be doing these porch piers too, over on the side. But we won't be going all the way around the house yet, not today. There's a little bit of paint down here. I'm going to try to brush it off. Oh, well guys, I'm a little bit nervous. I hope it looks good. Hope the color is right. Be patient. Be patient when you see it. Let's see how it goes. Alright guys, so we got the front piers done, and now you have to slow down, be patient, because it's going to make sense, it's going to come together when it's all done. Just a little subtle color to bring some more natural feel into the blocks. It's a warmer color, looks like stone instead of that gray cinder block look. Now I went a little heavy on these, and Evie thinks they're a little too dark. She likes the front ones, not so much these. That was my mistake, but I can't go back. Can't really make them lighter right now. So now let's finish up the railing for the front steps. So we're going to be installing an aluminum stair railing. We're going to start with the post, get it drilled in, and we'll go from there. I never did one of these before, so it's going to be a new experience for me, but we'll take you along and see how it goes. I'm going right through the slab here. Uh-oh.
What?
One of my holes doesn't line up at all, even though I was...
At all?
Yeah. I was dead on, too. So that... I'm going to try it. I'm going to make a slot instead of a... Okay, we don't need it on hammer drill anymore. It's surprisingly level. Plumb. Yeah, it's actually plumb enough for me. Okay guys, post installed, a little bit of trouble, but we got it. And now I can try to get the railing measured out. Well guys, that was harder than I expected. It took a lot longer than I expected, but it's done. And it doesn't look too bad. Aluminum with the composite. We're blending materials here. You can see these spindles are a little thinner, but it's gonna blend, it blends in. I don't think it's gonna be noticeable from far away. We have a lot of tool cleanup to do, but not yet because I have another railing I wanna do on the other side. The next one should go a lot easier. This one was all learning experience. So there it is, we finally have a handrail on our stairs. We're just getting ready to start the other side of the railing. Right now, it is 4:04. We're gonna see how much my skills have progressed and see how long it takes me to do this, because I felt like this took me half the day. Let's see how long that actually takes to get done. I better get working. It's gonna be pretty easy. Let's just get into it. Look at, I'm right in the center of the dot. These holes are going to be perfect this time. Perfect. It's
Close enough.
It's not really plumb, but let me check it this way. Oh, it's really off. No, I don't know if you guys are gonna be able to see my bubble, but we are off. Like, we're off like this.
You have to bring the top over to the right.
See how much?
That much.
Yeah. I mean, it wouldn't offend me if it was crooked, but we might as well try to straighten it out a little bit. So this isn't too bad. This is just a matter of the ground not being level, and we can fix it. I'm going to use some stainless steel washers to try to lift this side. Let's see. It's like it wants to go a little more than that. You know, I have some thicker. These are thicker. Let me just do these. Let me see if I can fit in this fat one. Let me try some bigger, fatter ones. Oh,
That's pretty good.
That's just about perfect.
The best we're gonna get.
So this is a piece of Smart Side that we're using for a spacer. That's as high as the railing can go off the steps, but that's fine. Let me try it. Let me check it. The railing is spaced off the steps where I want it. It's clamped to the house. It's balanced. This isn't balanced.
What do you mean?
This is narrow and this gets wide. Why?
Probably because the house isn't straight.
The house?
Mm-hmm.
You're right, it isn't.
So it's just gonna have to be like that.
Okay. This wall is not plumb at all. Our whole house is a little crooked. Alright, so with this clamped in place, I was able to use the brackets to mark the rail, mark the house, get everything lined up. So we're going to take it down, cut it, and we are almost ready to install. Okay guys, we got some bad news. We have a big problem here. I didn't anticipate this, but the bracket is too close to the spindle. Let me think about this. We have a plan. Don't know if it's gonna work, but after looking at it, I feel like we can modify the brackets to work around the spindles, and we can salvage that piece that we just cut, that railing. So I'm going to do some modification and see if we can just save it, make it work. Oh, guys, I'm ready to install this. I have to show you. I don't know if I can show. Let me see if I can show. We had to do some modification. Had to notch this bracket. We made it work. Had to notch this one so it could fit around this spindle. Made it work. Now, it wasn't as bad as I thought. We spent like an hour trying to figure out how to fix this problem. but it really wasn't that hard to fix. There's only one thing I'm not happy about. And we are done. We did take some time to clean up the tools, but you wanna know how long that took us? Check this out. So it took just over 2 hours. Honestly, I wanted to get so much more done today. I had plans. I was gonna address the bottom board of the porch here. I was gonna start working on that. I don't have any more time. We're kind of burnt out on this because this project was just mentally draining. But in the end, it looks so simple, doesn't it? It looks so good, so easy. It came together. Do you want me to show you guys the one thing I don't like? You see the spacing right here? That is wider than it is on the other side, opposite of it. I would have liked it if they were symmetrical, but we just couldn't make it work because of the way it was lining up with the house. It was just a mess. I'm just glad that we were able to use this and not waste it, because for a moment I thought we really messed up. Luckily the railings are aluminum and the brackets are aluminum, and aluminum's a pretty soft metal. It's pretty easy to cut and work with, so I was able to notch it out with my oscillating tool, and I just made the appropriate openings for it, and it's still plenty strong. No problem. It's solid. It's gonna do its job. Everything looks good. And now when you come to our house, it's a little more inviting. You see clearly where you're supposed to come in. Here is the side view of how it's looking right now. The piers actually look like, you know, brick color over here. It's kind of cool, but Evie wanted them like this. So I kind of messed up there. I didn't realize how dark I was making those until I compared them to the front, and I realized, but it won't hurt anything. It actually doesn't look that bad. So I don't think there's anything else we're going to share today. That was a pretty big project. Mission accomplished. We were able to reuse those railings that I bought on clearance. We saved a lot of money, and it all worked out in the end. So thanks for coming along, sticking with us as we work our way through these obstacles and finish our house. And until next time, take care.